The needle threading process is very easy as well. As you can see, there's some numbers right there, so we just follow through the numbers as well for the threading, and I'll show you what we do. To lower the presser foot using the lever at the back of the machine, and then we press our safety button again, this one, so nothing moves when we are threading the needle. So this is our thread coming from the machine at the top. We pass the thread through the latch numbered 6, and then we go through here and under 7. Can you see the 7 there? Yes. Then we go at the side of the machine. We've got a thread cutter here. Just cut the thread. Now with the presser foot down, I'll lower the needle threader lever on the left side of the machine down until it clicks. This one here. Okay, let's lower it down until it clicks, and that's how the machine is threaded. Okay, I hope you saw that. Thank you.